So today we built a multiply 4-bit by 4-bit, and this video is to test the result. So we start with 0 times 15, which is all ones for 15, and the result should be 0 because we have a 0 for input. In the next one we have 15 times 15, which is the max for both input, and we got 225, which is right here for the output. And then we go to 1 times 1, which will also give us 1. Which is correct. And then the next one is 1 times 7, which is 7 because we have input for 1. So whatever the other output is, P should also be that output. And the next one is 3 times 3. So we have 2 ones, and we got 9, which is correct. The next one is 3 times 5. And we got 15 right here, 4 ones. Correct. And then the next one is 2 times 2 give us 4 right here, which is correct. The next one is 4 times 4, which is give us 16. Now you can see that this one has advanced to the 5th. Well, I mean counting from the right, the 5th place, which is correct. And then we have 5 times 8, 5 times 8, which is give us 40, which is correct. We can see the highest bit is in the 32 position, which is correct. And then we have 7 times 7, which will give us 49. Which is correct. You can see that the highest bit did not go into the 64 range. And then we have 6 times 3, and this will give us 18. 6 times 3, 16, which is, 18. 6 times 3, 18, which is correct right here. And then we have 7 times 8. 7 times 8 gives us 56. It is also correct because the highest bit has not gone into the 64 range. And then we go a step ahead, we go to 9 times 9, which will give us 81. And now, oops. Now we can see that our highest bit has advanced to the 64 range, so it's above 64, which is correct, but also below 127. And then, so next we have 8 times 8, which is just 64. We can see right here, it's correct. And then we have 10 times 10, give us 100. Whoops. You can see 64 plus 32 plus 4, correct. And then we have 11 times 12. 11 times 12 gives 132, which is correct. And then the next one is 12 times 13. 12 times 13 give us 156, which is all correct. All the results can be compared with the expected results in the lab report. And the next one is 13 times 9. So 13 times 9 give us 117. We compare with our lab report, it is correct. And then we have 14 times 13. 14 times 13. 14, 13. Right here. Give us 182, which is correct. And we see that it already passed the 127 mark. So now it's the highest bit is right here. And the last but not least is 15 times 10 gives